How are you feeling?
Nervous. Really nervous. This woman looking scared.
And here's the thing. We'll give you a tour. That's actually. Welcome to Marques de Pombal. Marques?
Yeah.
Marques de Pombal?
Yeah.
Pombal?
Okay.
Marques de Pombal.
Rotatória. Pegue a segunda saída, minha vida.
Feeling more comfortable now?
No, not at all. Not a little bit.
Well, where are we going?
Where are
We're
we?
going to.
It doesn't say that.
Okay.
Surprise from the
Surprise, surprise. Okay, can you tell the vlog where you're at?
I'm cold. That's what I am.
Where are we, Lish? Praia do Magoito. I want to.
Well, you know, I said you want to.
I said I want to.
Yes, when you come. I can drink from the right hand with the right hand because you cannot tell me because you're not Portuguese, so you cannot say it to me. It's okay, Bombo. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry.
Target.
Just become Portuguese and work. Then.
Prontinho.
There should have like a handle here. So.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
They used to have it. Ok, vamos lá.
Vamos a manger.
Vamos a manger. Não sei o que é isso, mas.
Manger?
Ah, oh, manger?
Sim,
Oh,
manger.
sim, manger.
Vamos a manger? Oui.
Oui, oui.
Let's stop at
What's the angle? I'm not playing that game. It's the same business with a different name. Who's the target? Sorry, I'm not in the market. And if I quit buying, you can't sell me anything. No thanks, I'll pass. I don't want any of that. I'll just take my chances.
Okay. Yeah. No, that was just do it. Okay, thank you. Okay, you say welcome to my van.
welcome to our van.
Okay,
And yes, this is it.
show us around.
This is where we drive over here. Right there.
Okay, that's
This
the
is
least
the
interesting
Table. Like just pull it up.
thing. Okay,
That's just magical.
and then
And then this is the
casa de banho,
banheiro.
o banheiro
Casa de banho, sim.
slash closet.
Yeah.
Okay.
This
We turn on the power here,
yeah.
and the pump here,
For the
and
water.
then yeah. You need to turn on the water.
Yes. Okay. Ah, magic. Amazing.
And you can also get hot water.
Yeah. And this for the lights. Those ones. Those ones.
Yeah.
And yeah, this is the kitchen area.
Here we have our stuff. Our pantry items. And ta-da! Pots and pans on this one.
Yeah.
Then yeah, this is the sink and kitchen area, the bed, surfboard, and this places to put stuff. And this one, our sunroof thing. And then yeah, and then a bunch of other stuff in here. Oh yeah, and our view. We can open this one actually. To open that one too. What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. And then we get some fresh air coming in through. Yeah. And that's it. We're gonna have lunch now. Okay, so now we're just warming up some food that we got for free from our friends last night. From yesterday's lunch. We're gonna go eat outside. This is how we fill up for water.
It'll take forever.
Let's see how much comes out. Spray some on the grass. Olha aqui. Esse daqui é uma janjinha com um copo de chocolate.
Chocolate.
Sim?
Sim, é
Ok.
isso mesmo. Muito bem.
Eu já provei. Mas Push. And down. It has notes of chocolate.
The other one with chocolate, I didn't have that before. It already has chocolate in it.
Always
Oh,
not
it didn't have that good.
Oh, more. It's okay actually, but this is enough for me. We're on the hunt for the sunset
Open
from
air,
Post.
side by side we sway there in all the colors. Some love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair.
Free camping on the side of the river.
Some love,
It looks nice. Tell me. Didn't know it.
Look at you, full of surprises.
Surprising my baby all the time.
we're fast. Garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that. Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen.
We're trying to get to the other side of the sand dunes, to the ocean, but it might get dark before we get there. But here's a nice view, the river, and there's the town.
Washed in every shade of green and all the colors.
And yeah,
Some love,
sleeping hut.
remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue.
Jesus. That was not easy. Nerve-wracking. God damn it, woman.
Where?
That's about it. God damn it, you saw
Luis didn't know how to use it, but it's as simple as just opening the
It's not that simple because
faucet.
it was open. I was like, how do I close the door? I was like from left to right. Like, how
Jesus, amor.
fit in here? We can both take a shower together.
Okay, I have to go to the bathroom. Aqui é o Luizinho, como um filho. Como